For something very special. What's going on, Laura?
G'day gang, yeah, we're at the Royal Flying Doctor Service Brisbane base and the place is needing a little bit of a spruce up. So today you can see we've got an army of volunteers behind us. They've just got 3 hours to renovate the joint. Every minute counts, so we better get cracking, lads. 3, 2, 1, off you go. Get renovating.
No
we'll be giving you
pressure.
live updates throughout the morning. Plus, of course, we're going to be giving you weather forecast as well. We'll see you very soon, guys. Take you through to the kitchen now. Here we go. You can see it's all hands on deck at the moment. And where's my mate? Here he is, Michael Duffy, the man behind this entire project. Of course, you were a contestant on the block back in 2015. You wanted to give back to the Royal Flying Doctor Service, and how you were going to do that is with this live renovations. Can you do it? A full kitchen in 3 hours?
You know what? If anyone can do it, it's definitely Freedom Kitchens. You know, they're used to working under these conditions on the block. So I was sceptical at first, but look, they're powering through. I think they're going to be fine.
Absolutely fantastic. Guys, how you feeling? Confident?
Confident.
We'll let you get cracking. We'll see you soon, team. Woo!
Wow, get to it.
Yeah, we sure do. Go on, Mike, get that in there. We're about 2 hours into our live renovation here, so let's go see how the team's going. You can see we've got some beautiful blue paint going on the walls here. Let's go back inside the kitchen here and check out how the boys are going. They're working on installing this zip water system that'll give all the crew here chilled water and boiling water. And then just on the other side of that wall, we've got some gorgeous timber wall features going in as well. This place is going to look absolutely fantastic. Clock's ticking though, boys. Only an hour to go. Let's see what the weather's doing wherever you're waking up on this Tuesday morning. And we'll start once again in camp.
Looking good so far, though.
Yeah, but the issue is the kitchen. The kitchen's not done. As we know, the kitchen is the heart of the home.
Yeah, it can be really tricky.
So, you know, it's got to get finished.
All done.
Unbelievable. I can't believe it. You've got those beautiful stone bench tops as well.